strategist, and I am doing this video just to teach people who need to know how to register for a PayPal account. All you have to do is go to paypal.com. And when you go to paypal.com, you will see personal and business. If you do have a business, you have your EIN number, you did register your business with the Secretary of State, you can come here to business and you can click on sign up. If you don't have a business, you just have your social security number or your ITIN number, and you need a PayPal account, all you have to do is just click on personal. Now, let's just click for, if we're going to sign up for a business, we're going to click on business and click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will give you these two aspects that I mentioned previously, personal account or business account. Let's click on business account, and you click on next. And when you're done with that, you're going to add, the business email address, however you want to put it. We're gonna just try to do that. Okay. So it says that you can just like use another email. Just like for instance, says we're using another email, creating one right now, just for the sake of the video. Okay. And let's just do that. Then you can just click on continue. They will ask you to have a password. Then you can add that password. Okay. Let's just ask for the password. Then this is where you're going to come in and put your legal name, your first name, your last name, your business name, your business phone number, your business address, and you're going to click here. Before you do that, you just need to make sure that you read the delivery policy or the agreement policy privacy statement, and this is exactly where you come in, and then you put all your information so you can start that business PayPal business account. Okay, so now if you want to do the same thing for personal, all you have to do is go back, click on personal, and then click on sign up, and you're going to do the same thing, personal account, click next, and put your mobile number, your cell phone number, and then you're going to click next. Let's just say, for instance, I put a number. Okay, and then they're gonna say next, then they're gonna send you a code. You're going to use that code so you can start. So basically it's so easy to start a PayPal business account or a personal account. So I will suggest that you will go ahead right now and then start doing so. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned up for the next video on how to send an invoice on PayPal. Ciao.